What's going on, guys? Koozie F30 here. This is gonna be a quick video. I just wanted to say, if you do have an N26 F30, I know 110% that we have stainless steel fuel lines. I'm not too sure about all the other F30s, but I know for a fact 100% the N26 and the B58, they both have stainless steel fuel lines. So you can run E30. The stock fuel pump isn't really capable of pushing any more fuel beyond that, so you would have to do like a calculator or something and get your percentage correct. But yeah, you can in fact run E30, not full E85, but you can run an E30 too. Sometimes I like to think that my car knows it has E30 because it's the only time that my range is ever in the 400. Normally if I just fill up a full tank of 91, it'll say what, 360, 380 on average. But right when I filled up, this thing said 418. To be completely honest, I never see a performance gain whenever I run E30. I live in Arizona, and to my knowledge, Arizona, Nevada, and California have shittier gas than everywhere else in the country. So this is kind of the cheater's way to get 94 octane in Arizona. If you look it up, E30 is like almost 94 octane. It's like 93.7, and it's almost impossible to find 93 at a pump here. So that's the only benefit I see. Maybe better gas mileage. I feel like it, but like not insane. Like maybe a mile or two to the gallon more. That's it. That's literally all I have to say. It was just a quick video letting you guys know that if you have the N26 or the B58 engine, you can in fact run E30. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Peace out.